Hey Alexa, do fart sounds.
Did that fart talk?
Yes.
Ask me for a lion fart. Or say surprise me.
Surprise me.
Big fart from a big hippo. Ask me for a donut fart. Or say surprise me.
Donut fart.
Sweet and stinky. Ask me for a funny fart. Or say surprise me.
Funny fart.
Farty and funny.
Hey Alexa,
Ask me for
turn the volume down.
farty and funny. Ask me for a shuffle fart. Or say surprise me.
Shuffle fart.
Shuffling to the fart beat. Ask me for a baby fart. Or say surprise me.
Baby fart, lol.
Cute and cheeky fart. Ask me for a cow fart. Or say surprise me.
Cow fart.
Holy cow, what a toot. Ask me for a 5 farts. Or say surprise me.
Surprise me.
Out of this world. Ask me for a zebra fart. Or say surprise me.
Zebra fart.
Black and white toot. Ask me for a unicorn fart. Or say surprise me.
Unicorn fart.
Farting rainbows and glitter. Ask me for a lion fart. Or say surprise me.
Lion fart.
King of the fart jungle. Ask me for a 5 farts. Or say surprise me.
A 5 farts.
Mega stinky blast. Ask me for a crisp fart. Or say surprise me.
Crisp fart.
Crisp like a potato chip fart. Ask me for a wet fart. Or say surprise me.
Wet fart. This is gonna be funny, lol. Oh, yuck.
Fart with a splash. Ask me for a balloon fart. Or say surprise me.
Balloon fart. This is gonna be yuck.
Toot with a squeaky pop. Ask me for a cat fart. Or say surprise me.
Cat fart.
Perfectly stinky kitty toot. Ask me for a Christmas fart. Or say surprise me.
Christmas fart, but Christmas is over.
Ho ho ho, stinky surprise. Ask me for a juicy fart. Or say surprise me.
Juicy fart. Ew. Lol. Ew.
Splendidly juicy and stinky. Ask me for a bathtub fart.
Oh,
Or say
yuck.
surprise me.
Bathtub fart. That's gonna be yuck. Ew.
Goggle burst. Ask me for a holiday fart. Or say surprise me.
Holiday fart. Lol. Oh, yuck.
Farting through the snow. Ask me for a shark fart. Or say surprise me.
Shark fart.
Fishy fart in the ocean. Ask me for a elephant fart.
Elephant
Or say
fart.
surprise me.
Elephant fart. Lol.
That toot shook the jungle. Ask me for a frog fart. Or say surprise me.
Frog fart. Ew. Lol. That's funny.
Hop and a fart pop. Ask me for a ugly fart. Or say surprise me.
Ugly fart. Ew. Lol.
The gas man is in the building. Ask me for a smooth fart. Or say surprise me.
Smooth fart.
Silky smooth and stinky. Ask me for a pig fart. Or say surprise me.
Pig fart.
Oink and stink. Ask me for a happy birthday fart. Or say surprise me.
Happy birthday fart. Ew, I can actually smell it. Nah, just joking.
Farting birthday cheers. Ask me for a 30-second fart. Or say surprise me.
30-second fart. Ew.